Ever wonder what makes a video go viral on YouTube? Is it just pure luck or something more? Let's dive into it. Viral videos. They're everywhere, influencing our lives and shaping our culture. From hilarious cat videos to inspiring stories of human strength, we're all hooked. But what's the secret behind their reach, their popularity? Is it all about the right timing, the right content, or some strategic planning? Let's break it down. Is there a secret recipe, a specific pattern that guarantees a viral hit? That's what we're about to discover. We'll scrutinize viral video, get to grips with strategies from successful YouTubers, and unlock the YouTube algorithm. This is not just another show, it's an adrenaline-pumping ride into the heart of viral videos. It's a world where originality and strategy combine, content reigns supreme, and every video has the potential to be the next big thing. So get ready for a thrilling exploration into the viral phenomenon. Going viral. Is it fortune smiling or a hidden formula? Stay tuned to find out. Our main dish today? Content. Compelling, shareable, irresistible. Forget about simple pixels on a screen. We're talking emotions, fueling your video to skyrocket from a single screen to a million. Our secret ingredient? Emotional storytelling. It births moments of humor, awe, surprise. The very moments that make us lean in, gasp, smile, or even shed a tear. Moments that beg to be shared. But wait, there's more. It's not just about the story, it's how you serve it. Visual elements, aka your storytelling spices, a striking thumbnail as your book cover, the first bite. Make it bold, memorable, a siren call to the viewers. Once they bite, keep them hooked with rapid cuts, captivating effects, and a rhythm that syncs with the heartbeat, your story. Let's talk triggers. The magic wands that transform viewers into sharers. Ever watched a video that made you think, I know exactly who needs to see this? That's a trigger, your secret weapon to connect with the viewer so that they can't resist sharing. Find the common human experiences, joy, surprise, awe, and tap into them. Know your audience, their laughter, their thoughts, their emotions. Answer these questions and voila, you've got a trigger. On the infinite digital sea of YouTube, compelling, shareable content is your lifeboat. It's your mark, your calling card. It's your ticket to viral fame. So remember, the next time you're creating, it's not just about the views, it's about the shares. Want to go viral? Start with content that people can't help but share. Scene script. Get ready to plunge into strategic optimization. The online world is a battlefield, and to win, you need a plan. Strategic optimization is your secret weapon. It's a combination of knowing your audience, selecting the right keywords, and creating killer titles and descriptions. Let's break it down. Step 1. Know your audience. It's not about guessing, it's about knowing your viewers' preferences. Serve them content tailored to their taste, keep satisfied, and they'll keep returning for more. Now, onto keywords. They're your map in the crowded digital city of YouTube, guiding viewers straight to your content. So choose your keywords with precision. Think like your viewer. Let their search queries guide you. Here's a pro tip. Use keyword tools. They're your secret weapon, unveiling the most searched terms. Now let's talk titles and descriptions. Your title is your video's billboard. It's got to grab attention. And your description, it's more than a summary. It's your chance to pack in more keywords and give the algorithm more to chomp on. Remember, strategic optimization isn't about deceiving the system. It's about making your content easily discoverable and loved. So know your audience, select your keywords sharply, craft compelling titles and descriptions. Optimize smart and let the algorithm work for you. The third step on the path to viral video success? Unyielding promotion. Consider it the fuel driving your content's ascent into the vast universe of the internet. But don't just unleash your content haphazardly. We're talking strategic, calculated promotion. You've cooked up a digital banquet. Now it's time to serve it to the world, letting everyone get a taste. Welcome to the digital age. Use every tool at hand. Social media platforms, email marketing, even reaching out to influencers. Make your video easy to find, a digital delight impossible to overlook. But remember, it's not only about visibility. It's about building a community. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, solicit feedback, spark conversations. Remember, consistency is your best friend in the crowded playground of the internet. Persist with your promotion. Keep the conversation going. Consider promotion as a kite soaring in the wind. It might be slow at first, but with time it catches more wind, gaining height and speed. And voila! Suddenly your sky is full of views, likes, and shares. So go ahead, make your presence felt. Let your content make waves. Remember, promotion equates to persistence, persistence equates to progress, and progress is the ticket to viral video success. Get ready for the grand finale, the secret weapon to make your video go viral, the edge of your personality. Successful YouTube videos don't just tell a story, they set the pace with their unique voice. It's not about what you're saying, it's about how you're saying it. Authenticity is the heartbeat of this game. It's about keeping it real, keeping it you. Your passion, your voice is your ticket to a real connection with your viewers. That's the secret sauce. The ability to trigger emotions, spark inspiration, and evoke action is your greatest ally. This is all about leading your viewers on an unforgettable ride that they'd want to hop on again and again. The potency of your personal narrative is the secret code to cracking YouTube success. Step up, folks. It's time to unlock the secret. It's not luck, but passion, strategy, and your unique narrative that cook up the perfect recipe for a viral video. A vast digital playground awaits you, packed with endless opportunities. Don't wait. The code to viral success isn't hidden. It's blinking neon for those with something to say or spread. It's about the laughs you trigger, the awe you inspire, all through your content. Connectivity is key. Build your tribe. Ignite conversations. Ready to dive in? Now's your moment. Seize the spotlight, ride the digital wave. Pick up your camera, press record, and your journey to YouTube stardom. Stay tuned. Let's roll.